Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to remove song from Instagram post after posting. Instagram currently doesn't have the feature that you can directly remove song from your Instagram post after you already posted your Instagram post. So to remove the song from Instagram post, you just need to archive the post or delete the post so that you can remove the song, but it will remove your post as well. So to do that, go to your Instagram application, then make sure that you are logged into your Instagram account. Now here you'll be taken to the home page. Now tap on your profile icon on down left corner. Then I am just going to show you the Instagram post in which my song has been added. Now tap on three dots. Then here you can see the option of edit. Tap on edit. The edit option doesn't have the option of removing the song. Tap on three dots and tap on either archive or delete. I am going to archive my post. After you archive or delete your post will be removed from your profile. With that, now here you can tap on plus icon on the down. Then select the same photo or video. Then you can tap on next. Now here you can edit your photo. After editing your photo, tap on next. Then here you can add caption or change any of the feature of your post. Then after doing so, tap on share. With that, your post will be again shared but without the music. This is how we can remove song from Instagram post after posting. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.